Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. So now without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So guys, today we're back again with the various other exciting roles from these MNCs, out of which two are permanent work from home for all freshers and experienced. So before to start with IBM, please do like the video after watching if you want this informative job videos to be shared to a possible number of people, so that your one like is indirectly going to help many other graduates who are actually looking for these kind of career opportunities. So now let's see what's the position from IBM. So guys, we have openings for Analyst Risk and Compliance role from IBM for both freshers and experienced, and for which you can expect up to a 3.5 lakh per annum for a fresher and up to a 5 lakh per annum for experienced. So now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria for this role. So all bachelor's degree students and master's degree students are eligible to apply for this role. So any graduate is eligible to apply for this role, like with 0 to 1 years of experience. So all BE or BTech students or ME or MTech students, like all BBA, BCom, BSc. So any graduate is eligible to apply for this role with 0 to 1 year of experience. So if you have any previous experience of up to 1 year, then also you're good to apply for this role. So it's good if you have some experience in know your customer, customer due diligence and customer identification programs, and you should be able to deal with a highly personal confidential information and data once you get hired for this position. So you should have a good analytical skills and a good communication skills, both verbal and written. And also it's good if you have previous experience in how to onboard a new client, a new account documentation, a business formation documentation, legal entity structures. So it's not a mandatory skill, but it's good if you have these skills as well. And that's about your skill set, so nothing more than that. So coming to your responsibilities, so guys, you'll be part of a global team of financial crime specialists, which will be working on a KYC process or a AML process, which provides the services to all the global banks. So you'll be supporting all the business banking KYC client requirements, which is related to a range of products or services. So you should be able to divide customer outcomes through validating all the KYC information and capturing all the policies to make sure that all the information is up to date and as per the standards. And also you should have to work with the quality team and take feedback from them to make sure that all the tasks are completed as per the standards and within the target time. So guys, that's a very quick information about this role and skill set from IBM for analyst risk and compliance role. So this comes into some non-technical role. So if you are interested in this position, just apply it as soon as possible before the position is filled. And if you have any queries regarding this position, just let me know in comment section so that I can assist you further. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have one more position open from IBM for Associate System Engineer role for all freshers from 2020 to 2023 graduates can apply for this role, and you can expect up to a 3.5 to a 4 lakh per annum for this role. So now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria. So all bachelor's degree students, so any graduate is eligible to apply for this role from 2020 to 2023. And coming to your skill set, it's nothing much actually. If you have a good programming knowledge on these technologies like Java, Python and Node.js, then you can easily crack this interview. So you should be aware of all software development, life cycle concepts like regression testing, pre-production and production. And you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written, and good problem solving skills. So coming to your skill set, nothing much they have mentioned except these programming languages which are very basic in your academics like Java, Python and Node.js. So just have some good knowledge on all these concepts, both theoretical and practical. So coming to your responsibilities, so guys, as it is a developer role, you'll be involved in designing the applications, writing the code, testing it and debugging it and maintaining it across the various platforms and technologies. So it's a pure developer role, so you can see absolute career growth in your career within 1 to 2 years if you get hired for this position. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity. And if you have any queries in filling these details, just let me know in comment section so that I can help you out. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have a very good opportunity from Amazon, which is a permanent work from home for all freshers and experienced, and which is a permanent work from home from Amazon. And also they're going to pay you up to a 4,20,000 per annum for this work from home opportunity, which is a very decent package for this role. So now let's quickly see other job details as well. So guys, your role would be virtual customer service associate, and it's a full-time permanent position from Amazon. So it's a work from home opportunity in Maharashtra. So all Pune, Thane and Mumbai candidates can apply for this role. So your salary would be somewhere between 2,47,000 to 4,20,000. So which may vary based on your experience. So now let's quickly see your other eligibility criteria as well. So you should be a minimum of 18 years old, and you should have a right to work in India and with a strong communication skills, both verbal and written. And you should be able to work in all the rotational shifts, which will be from Monday to Sunday, and for which will be paid some good incentives as well. And for this, you should arrange a minimum broadband connection of 20 MB download speed and 8 MB upload speed with a hardware internet connection, for which you will be given internet alliances as well. So coming to your other benefits which we receive from Amazon, like a medical insurance, a pension plan, you'll get internet allowance. So you'll get some other discounts through Amazon Extras program, and also you can attend the ongoing trainings in Amazon in order to develop your skills as well. So guys, coming to your responsibilities, it's like you'll be the first point of contact to your customer to answer their queries and resolve it either through a phone or chat or email regarding their order or product questions or related to a payment questions. So you should be able to answer them with patience and communicate with them. So that's about your responsibilities, nothing more than that. So it's a very decent package for this role. So just don't miss this opportunity, as it is a permanent work from home, especially female candidates. So that's about this position from Amazon. And now let's see one more position, which is a permanent work from home again from Amazon. So guys, it's again a very good opportunity from Amazon, which is a permanent work from home again for all freshers and experienced. And they're going to pay you up to 4,38,000 per annum for this work from home opportunity, which is a very decent package. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity. So coming to your other job details, your role will be a digital devices and Alexa support associate. So it's a full-time, a permanent work from home opportunity from Maharashtra. So candidates from Pune, Mumbai and Thane can apply for this role. So you will be paid somewhere between 3,65,000 to 4,38,000, which may vary based on your experience. So which is a very decent package for this role for work from home opportunity. So coming to your eligibility details. So it is the same as the previous role, like you should be 18 years old, you should have right to work in India and strong communication skills, and you should be able to work in rotational shifts, and also you should have internet connection with 100 Mbps broadband connection and with the hardware internet connection, so for which you will be paid some internet alliances. So coming to your other benefits that you'll receive from Amazon, like a medical insurance, pension plan, internet alliance, and also you'll receive the discounts through Amazon Extras program, and you have to attend some trainings like it's your wish in order to develop your skills. So coming to your role or responsibilities. So guys, you have to resolve the queries regarding all Amazon digital services and devices like Kindle, Echo and Fire TV. So you have to provide a good technical support to all your customers either through phone or chat or email. So you should be able to communicate with them in a nice way, and you should be able to resolve their issues within the target time. And also you can escalate the issues whenever necessary based on your business requirement. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity, as it is a permanent work from home, especially all female candidates. Like the pay is very good here. So if you have any queries regarding this position, just let me know in comment section. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's one of the good opportunity from Ericsson for service desk engineer role. So you'll get posted in Bangalore location once you get hired for this position, and you can expect up to 6 to 8 lakh per annum for this role. So now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria. So all engineering graduates in IT or telecom stream can apply for this role. So you should have a minimum of 1 to 2 years in the relevant telecom field in order to apply for this role. So coming to your skill set, you should have a good knowledge on all service networks, a GSM network, a WCDMA network, and knowledge on 3G, 4G, and 5G architecture, L1 level RA and troubleshooting knowledge, RA and optimization, and RA and performance experience, and a basic knowledge on services like integration process along with the access core, transport and service networks, and a good communication skills both verbal and written. And also you should have good analytical skills and knowledge on telco network operations and in platform and service alarm monitoring, alarm management for the assigned network services, and you should be able to do a ticket management. And also you should be able to follow with all the relevant departments working on it as per the MSTOP process, and you have to work towards a KPI or a balanced scorecard parameters, work towards the IBM parameters assigned by your manager, and you have to make sure that security is implemented and maintained according to the security and risk management directives of your organization. And also you should be able to clear all first level network alarms and creating the trouble tickets and resolving them, and you have to update the ticket like from time to time, and you should be able to route the ticket to the relevant department if it doesn't come under your scope, and you should be able to perform a health check audits for ARIA and alarms whenever necessary. So guys, that's about your skill set or role for this role from Ericsson. So all telecom field candidates can apply for this role. So if you are interested in this role, just apply it as soon as possible before the position is filled. And also let's see one more position from Ericsson. So guys, it's an associate engineer role from Ericsson for which you can expect up to 15 to 20 lakh per annum for this role based on your experience, and you'll get posted in a Noida location once you get hired for this position. So now let's quickly jump into your eligibility criteria. So guys, all degree graduates or electrical engineering, telecommunication engineering or computer science graduates can apply for this role, but you should have previous experience in the telecom field with a minimum of 2 to 6 years experience. So coming to like other eligibility criteria, it's good if you have certifications which are related to telecom or IP and good communication skills both verbal and written. So guys, coming to your role, you have to take care of all the activities in the network team, and in case of any issues, you should escalate the issues to the relevant department in order to restore the network within the stipulated period of time. So you should be responsible for a ticket management, alarm management for all the assigned network services, and you should be able to interact with all the resource and service instances, and you should follow up on all the events with the relevant departments working on it as per the MSTOP process, and you have to work towards achieving a KPI or a balanced scorecard parameters and work towards your IBM parameters assigned by your CA manager. So you'll be like end-to-end responsible for the instant ticket life cycle. So guys, that's a very quick information about this role from Ericsson. So if you are interested in these core positions, just apply it as soon as possible before the position is filled. And if you have any further queries, just let me know in comment section. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a data and document management new associate role which is related to a pharma position from Accenture for both freshers and experienced, and you can expect around a 3 to 3.5 lakh per annum for this role. So now let's quickly see other job details. So your designation would be a junior drug safety associate, and you'll get posted in Bangalore location. So all BSc graduates either as a fresher or experienced candidate can apply for this role. So if you are having a previous experience of up to 1 year, then also you're good to apply for this role. So coming to your other details, like, so guys, here you have to work with the life sciences and R&D team. So you will be part of this pharmacovigilance team. So you should be able to detect, assess or understand and prevention of adverse effects or any other medicine or a vaccine related problems, following all good pharmacovigilance practices as per your client standards and global regulatory requirements. So you should be able to work on different aggregate reports such as planning, authoring, reviewing and publishing of all these documents, and also risk management plan, signal detection and validating the reports, and cosmetovigilance safety reports. So you are also responsible for authoring and reviewing clinical documents such as protocols, amendments, investigator brochure, clinical study reports, so all safety narratives and this clinical overview. So in this role, you are expected to manage or create the case identification, data entry, MEDDRA coding, a case processing, submission and follow-up for all ICSRs in the safety database as per your client guidelines and as per the global regulatory requirements. So guys, that's a very quick information about this role from Accenture. So if you are interested in this position which is related to pharma, so just apply it as soon as possible before the position is filled. So all BSc graduates with 0 to 1 year experience can apply for this role. So now let's see other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Concentrix for all freshers and experienced for non-voice role, for which they're going to pay you up to 5 lakh per annum for this role. So now let's quickly see other job details as well. So guys, either you can apply it as a fresher, or if you have any earlier experience of up to 5 years, then also good to apply for this role. So you'll get posted in any of these locations listed here, and you'll be paid from 3 to 5 lakh per annum based on your experience. So they also have a very good number of openings for this position. So just apply it as soon as possible, as it has been posted around 4 days ago. And also guys, all you have to do is you have to respond to all the customer queries and provide resolutions within the target time. So you should be able to communicate with them with the patience and answer all their queries. So it will be a 5 days working in a week, and good thing here is that they'll also provide you meals and cab facility both the sides. And sometimes you also have to work in night shifts, for which you'll be given some good incentives. So it's all like you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written. So all freshers and experienced can apply for this role. Nothing much they have mentioned about the skill set and eligibility criteria. So guys, if you are interested in this position, just call to this number or WhatsApp your resume to this number, HR Gunjan, as soon as possible. So guys, that's very quick information about this role from Concentrix for non-voice role, which is a very decent package they're giving. So just don't miss this opportunity. So guys, that's a very quick information about these various roles from these MNCs. So if you are interested and eligible in any of these roles, just apply for the role as soon as possible before the position is filled. And you can also refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs in our channel, which are still open and which are listed according to the playlist. So just please do check those as well and apply if you are eligible right away. So guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. Thank you.